Today we're checking out one of the interesting paid cashback options, and we're going to show you how you can get 1% cashback on all your purchases free of charge for 30 days, plus an exclusive PS5 bonus for new users. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. With Curve, not only can you streamline your wallet, but you can also earn cashback on every purchase. And get this, it's not just a measly fraction of a percent. We're talking a solid 1% cashback on all your spending. For all you new users out there, Curve is offering an exclusive PS5 bonus just for signing up and making your first purchase. That's right. Simply download the app, link your cards, and start earning rewards instantly. Curve works seamlessly with all your existing cards, so you can keep earning points and miles with your favorite rewards programs while enjoying the added benefits of cashback. How you can do this is very simple. Just use my link below in the description to download and register your new app. Don't worry if there is a fee for the card delivery, because the bonus of 5 GBP will cover it, which you'll receive after you make your first 5 transactions. After that, you will be notified that you've received 1% cashback reward program for the period of 30 days. You will be able to track for how many days you still have cashback to earn and how much you've earned so far, and you can use that cashback to make another purchase by card within the application called Curve Catch Card. Or you can simply top up that cashback you earned to any online service that allows you to top up with debit cards. I personally use Nexo and Trading212, and then simply withdraw that money from these applications' websites to my Revolut account or my personal local account bank account. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and exclusive offers.